Ratios and Proportions, Chapter 6. Ratio, a comparison of two numbers by division. Equivalent ratios, ratios that make the same comparison. For example, 1 compared to 2, 1 compared to 2, 1 colon 2. All three are examples of comparing the same thing. That is one example of ratios. Ratios that are equivalent are said to be proportional. Write the ratio in simplest form. We think of these just like fractions. Divide both by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 compared to 15. So we want to divide both by 3, which would give us 3 over 5. 3 compared to 5. 3 compared to 21. Divide both by 3 is the simplest way. We get 1 compared to 7. 10 compared to 90. Divide both by 10 would give us 1 compared to 9. Here we have 3 compared to 4, and they're telling us that it must be something compared to 20. Well, we know from our days with fractions, 4 times 5 is 20, so we multiply this times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Likewise, we have 12 compared to 20. We want to compare it to 6 out of how many is the same thing. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Find two ratios that are equivalent to each given ratio. The first thing we can do with this one is we could divide by 9, and we would get 1 compared to 3. It says find 2, so another thing we could do is we could divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So therefore, these three ratios are equivalent. 8 compared to 21. Nothing goes into both 8 and 21 evenly, so we must multiply. Let's multiply times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 21 is 42. Again, if we multiply by a bigger number, let's multiply times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 21 is 63. So those three ratios would be said to be equivalent. 1 compared to 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 compared to 14 is the same as 1 compared to 7. Another one, if we multiply times 3, we would get 3 over 21. Here we have two ratios. The question is, are they proportional? We will get to that when we start the second video.